If CapCut is showing a no internet connection error on your PC, and everything else on your computer seems to be working fine, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get CapCut back online and working properly. We'll cover the most common cause first, then move into clearing cache, turning off hardware acceleration, and force restarting the app the right way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright? Let's jump right in. First, if you're in a region where CapCut is restricted, the app may block itself and show a no internet connection message even when your connection is fine. To fix that, use a reliable VPN. A trusted option like Proton VPN or Bravado VPN can help you connect through a supported region. Before you do anything else, completely close CapCut on your PC. Don't just minimize it, make sure it is fully shut down. Then open your VPN and connect to a server in a country where CapCut is available, such as Singapore or the United States. Once the VPN is connected, wait a few moments so the connection stabilizes, and then reopen CapCut. If CapCut still gives you the same error, the next step is to clear the app cache. Sometimes corrupted cache files can break the app's connection and stop it from loading properly. Open CapCut and go to the main homepage. In the top right corner, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Inside settings, look for the cache size option. You should see a delete or trash icon next to it. Click that icon and confirm that you want to wipe the cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the connection issue without deleting your projects or important edits. After the cache is cleared, give CapCut a fresh restart and see if it loads normally. Now let's move on to another fix that works surprisingly well for many users. Inside the same settings area, go to the Performance tab. Here, you'll find hardware acceleration options. Turn off both hardware accelerated encoding and hardware accelerated decoding. These features can sometimes conflict with CapCut's background syncing or loading process, especially on certain PCs or GPU setups. Once both options are unchecked, click Save to apply the change. This simple adjustment can often stop the app from freezing, failing to load assets, or showing connection-related errors. If you're still stuck, the last step is to force restart CapCut properly. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time to open Windows Task Manager. In the list of running processes, find any active CapCut tasks. If you see anything still running in the background, right-click it and choose End Task. This makes sure CapCut is fully closed and not hanging in the background with a broken connection state. After that, make sure your VPN is still connected if you need. Then relaunch CapCut again. At this point, CapCut should load more normally, and your transitions, text tracking, stickers, and other online features should start working again. If the app opens without the no internet connection message, then the fix worked. If not, you can repeat the steps carefully and make sure the VPN, cache clear, and hardware settings were all applied correctly. If this video helped you solve the CapCut no internet connection error on PC, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials and app fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.